Oh, blew my face out. You okay? Yeah, I hit my face so hard. Spicy chicken nugget! Dude, it's spicy! Whoa! What up, Team Buckhouse? It's the last day of the trip. I'm super sad to say it. And it's like we're riding half of a day and then we're jumping on an airplane flying back to Colorado. This is resort number 11 in 7 days. I'm exhausted, but I went live last night, so I got to actually get some sleep. My editing was going to like 2 in the morning and I was waking up at 5. I was getting no sleep, but we were still crushing it. And if this is one of the first videos you have seen, just so you know, we did 6 or 10 other resorts in the East Coast in 10 days. So subscribe to the channel to see a bunch of sick trips and stuff and content like that, but also go check out those videos. So the bag's packed up. We stayed in a super sick hotel room last night thanks to Union and Post. They hooked us up. This place is clean, it's modern. The shower head's in the ceiling. So if you are coming to Windham and you need a sick place to stay, check out Union and Post. Their whole website is in the description. Book here, hook up the people that hooked us up, and enough talking. Let's go shred. You ready?
I'm ready.
I think I'm ready. How'd you sleep, Ben?
Really good.
This place was amazing.
This place was sick.
Guys, we got Bluebird Day too. The weather on this trip has been nothing but I don't want to say that. Bon appetit. Look at that park. So he's gonna be sick. What's your name?
Donovan.
Donovan, nice to meet you, man. Spicy chicken nugget.
Spicy?
Dude, it's spicy. Let's go, dude. Alright guys, we got Wyatt. He's wrecking the surf car too. Let's go, dude. That dude almost killed Benton and Vinny, but thankfully they know their way around sitting on a chairlift. Vinny got out the way, Benton figured it out. That was funny. Yeah. So guys, this is Spicy. Spicy's the man. Spicy hung out with us all summer long. And I truly do remember all the people that were hanging out with me all summer long because I got no new subscribers. It was incredible. I've never had a moment. I actually lost subscribers in the summer, like hundreds of subscribers. But I didn't lose Spicy. Spicy stuck around, hung out, watched the videos, and it was really cool. So shout out to all of the summer subscribers that got us through the summer, because obviously it was a weird summer for everybody. But yeah, now we're out here, we're getting subs. It's really sick. If you're new to the channel, once again, subscribe. And yeah, this park is insane. These are features you find at like Copper, Breck, Keystone, but they slide good, they're super fun. The jump's a little on the weirder side. It's more of like an out jump with a soft knuckle opposed to like an up jump with a hard knuckle like you find in Colorado. Still fun though. Right?
Yeah.
Exactly. All right, enough talking. We got more riding to do. We're gonna try and get as many laps as possible within our time frame of 1 p.m. We gotta get out of here at 1, so let's send it. Alright guys, this park is sick, but I hear they got like 5 other parks, so we're gonna go check them out. Alright, Spicy, that's a sick sticker. You know what it reminds me of? Today's sticker shout out. We got Miss Snowboard 15, got her daughter rocking a Ski Evolution sticker, looking so sick. As well as we got Snowboarding the East Coast, which was what we're doing, with the black sticker on the snowboard, looking also super sick. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers, supporting the dream, making it to where we can come out to the East Coast and ride 11 resorts in 7 days. What a crazy trip. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you want to snag an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, it's all linked in the description. Just know if you do snag any of it, it supports the dream. 100% of the proceeds go back into the channel, allowing me to do this for a living. But also, if you do snag it, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of bonus extra content, but also you'll know we're at Windham snowboarding if you're following Instagram. And then if you're here, you're like, yo, Buckhouse is here, you can come find me. We can take some turns like these guys are, and it's super sick time. So snag the merch, support the dream, tag me on Instagram. Anything else, Spicy?
No.
Anything else?
No.
I think we're good.
Enjoy Windham.
Enjoy Windham. Now let's send this other park, which looks just as good as the last one. Ben's getting tired. I can't believe there's like no line here today. Yeah.
Hey, what's good, man?
What's up? What's your name?
Yeah, Chris. I actually saw you at Big Snow like last year.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
We need to know the story behind Spicy Chicken Nuggets name. Ready? Go.
I mean, I like spicy chicken nuggets.
That's a great reason. Benton, how's the trip been for you?
Probably the second funnest trip of the year.
Don't listen to him, guys. This has been the best trip of the year by far. What was your favorite one?
The heli trip.
Aw, thanks, bud. This was the best trip of the year by far. Sorry, Wisconsin. Wisconsin was sick too, but this was heavy. Blew my face out. You okay? Yeah, I hit my face so hard. right, so we're gonna check out the last park here, and then we have a couple more runs in us. Check out the last park here, and then we're outie, headed back to Colorado. Woo. All right, guys, this was sick. Windham. Not Windham. Windham. I said Windham on the whole live stream. I felt stupid after. But Windham. We'll wait for you up top.
Vinny, we're leaving!
Windham is sick. This is the best park, second best park of the trip, I think. Especially the bigger section. Those rails were money. So Killington by far had the best rails of the trip. But this place, if you ride here, you get really good at park, and the jumps aren't that bad. They do have soft knuckles, but that's fine. We're just, from being in Colorado, you're used to these like gnarly sharp knuckles that are unforgiving. These ones are super forgiving. But this one's Chipmunk. We're gonna go to that park one more time, and then we gotta go get some New York style pizza, and then we're out of here for the trip.
What's New York style pizza?
New York pizza? I don't know, the best pizza in the world,
You're
I guess.
from New York? Yeah. What's New York style?
I don't know.
Thin, greasy, cheesy,
Yeah, it's
good.
usually thin, greasy, and
Pepperoni on top of the cheese, right? Or under the cheese?
over.
Over the cheese. With some oregano on it, right? Something like that. I don't know. Here we go. All right, guys, what a sick day. There you go. It was a fun one. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for shredding with me today. You're welcome. Next year you're gonna be on a snowboard, right? Yeah. Spicy? It was so sick. So sick. Dude, today was so much fun rolling with the crew. Hit a sick park. Oh, we can ride to the car. Sweet. Cool. Kids want some photos, and we gotta get out of here. Gotta catch a flight. Vinny leaving in style. Perks to parking up top. We're like literally right here. So I did at the beginning of the day go inside and get my pin for Windham. They actually had one. It's so sick. I don't think they had a half pipe, but it says half pipe Windham with the park logo, like the, you know, like that. So super stoked on that pin. That's a cool, unique one. I always try to find the coolest, unique pins at all the ski resorts that I go to. And if you didn't know, I have my own evolution pin. So if you collect pins or want to start collecting pins, you can start with snagging that one. But there we go. That's 11 new ski resorts in 7 days. My goal is to ride every single resort in the United States. There's 264 of them. I was saying 270, but I think some closed down. But if you want to see where we've ridden, where we're gonna go, all that stuff, I have this website. It's a map of the United States that has all of them. If you haven't seen how many ski resorts in the United States, check the top link in the description. Just go look at it. It's really fun. But all the green ones are where I've gone snowboarding, and you can see a list of all the resorts and check them out. It's really cool. So that's all linked in the description. And now we have the worst part of the trip, putting all of our wet snowboard gear into our snowboard bags to then fly them back to Colorado. I never look forward to this part. Greg looks comfy.
I do. It is wicked comfy.
And yeah, we got to transition. But we're gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for shredding with us today and this whole trip. This was a blast. So thank you so much for riding with us today. Oh man, I messed the whole outro up. Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because we post daily, every single day. There's not a day we don't post. for the last 3 years.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliff